excessively tired. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Finn. In today's video, I am so excited. I've wanted to buy one of these for the longest time, ever, the longest time, and I decided to purchase one about 3 days ago. So if you've read the title and you're here, you'll know that today we are unboxing a W7 mystery makeup box. Right, W7 is such an underrated brand. It's one of my favourite brands of makeup ever. They do fantastic dupes, fantastic unique things. Affordability is like their main key thing, and then on top of that, cruelty free. Most of it is vegan. What more could you ask for in a makeup brand? Seriously? Are you ready? In today's video we have got a mystery box. W7 on their website do these. They retail for £20 I think, or £19.99, which is basically the same thing. And inside the box you get approximately £40 or above worth of makeup products. So we're just going to have a look. I've ordered a mystery box. I do not know what's inside. I've also ordered a foundation actually. That'll be for another video. I'm going to do like a wear test because I think it's been out for a little while. I know that Steph Toms has actually reviewed this foundation, but I'm going to do it anyway because, you know, why not, and I needed a new foundation. So let's get on with it. This is the box that it comes in, and somehow, like, there's something about this box that is really appeasing to me. Probably just because it's pink, to be honest. It's pink and it's got the logo all over it, but I love it. It just says, "Who will you be today?" And the back is exactly the same. Nothing fancy. I'm so excited to see what's in here. I think you're guaranteed an eyeshadow palette and you're guaranteed at least 6 products. Oh, and by the way guys, this came in, I think it was meant to be 48 hours tracking with Royal Mail, and I think technically it was 48, it might have been 72. Everything on top is all bubble wrapped up, so it's all nice, safe and secure. I really hope my foundation's in here because that's the main reason I placed the order. So, without further ado, this is so exciting. I'm just going to go straight for it. Okay, so the first product that we have is the Happy Hemp Mascara. This is part of their hemp range. Obviously W7 have their own kind of hemp range. It's lengthening mascara and it's called Lash High. Should we have a look at the wand and see what that looks like? I've never tried this range. And I really wanted to try some new mascaras, so that's exciting. Oh, do you know what? I'll use that. I will definitely use that. I might try that later. So yeah, that's the first product that we've got. There's so much in here. Next up, this is actually like full to the top. We've got the Very Vegan highlighting powder. So on the back, this says it's in the shade Nature's Glow. And obviously very vegan, it's vegan. This is one of their vegan range products. They do a whole range of stuff like this, by the way, guys. Oh, I like the packaging. The packaging is just like a white cube, but that makes me really happy. So yeah, this is just highlighting powder. And it's really pretty. And it's got a little tree on it. How cute is that? I can't wait to use that. Next up, we've got the Glamorous Gloss in the shade Naming Lights, which looks like this. Very, very subtle, pinky, nudie gloss colour. I think that will look stunning over a lipstick or on its own for like nude wear. Oh, this looks so exciting. So next up, we've got the W7 Starry Eyes Metallic Jelly Eyeshadow. So that is what it looks like. Difficult to see, sorry, with my lighting. This is in the shade Mercury Retrograde. I'm going to open this so we can actually have a look at it. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I can imagine that will look stunning on an eye look. Obviously it's been like shipped about in a package, so it might look a little bit bad for wear, but when this all settles down, I can't wait to try that out on my eyes. So pretty. I've been meaning to buy one of these. So the next thing we've got is the I Got the Power All Day Wear Eyeshadow Base Primer, which looks like this. I've been meaning to get the P. Louise one and to try the Beauty Bay one, and now I've got one I don't need to, so that is so exciting. I can't wait to try that. I'm actually so excited. Next up, this is packaged very, very well. So we have the W7 Duo Blusher. So that looks like that. Very, very pretty shades, pretty colours. I reckon these will actually look quite nice mixed together. So yeah, we've got this. Oh my god, what is this? That's exciting. So the next product we've got is the Shimmer Body Mist in the shade, or in the scent, Loved Up, I guess. Very, very interesting product. I'd love to know what this actually does. Let's spray. That smells really nice. I don't think it really does much, but that smells really good. Whew. Yummy. Can I eat it? Next up, I already have one of these. So what I'm probably going to do is that when I hit 1,000 subs, I'm going to be doing a small giveaway anyway. I've already got a couple of products for it. So yeah, I'll be popping this in the giveaway, but this is the W7 Sheer Loose Powder in the shade Honey. I already use this on a daily basis. If I'm not using this one, I'm using this, or I'm using, of course I am. If I'm not using this one, I use the W7 Banana Dreams powder and mix them together. But yeah, I already have this, so that will be going in the giveaway. So the next product we have is the W7 Brow Master brow pencil. It comes with the pencil one end and the little tiny brow brush on the other end. No, it's not. The pencil's this end. What an idiot. And the brow brush is this end. And this is in the shade just brown. It's just called brown. So that'll be quite interesting to try. I'm so excited for this as well. I've been meaning to test these. So we now have a lip liner. This is a lip twister. So I'm guessing that you can twist it to make it go up. But this looks really nice. I can't... What shade is this? I really don't want to offend anyone. I think it's in the shade Rioja. I'm really sorry if I'm completely saying that wrong. Yeah, that's what that looks like. Really pretty. We have a lippy. We have an actual lipstick. So we have the lipstick in the shade Tender Touch. Hopefully it is tender. It looks very pink in the packaging. Look how pink that is. Very pink. Oh, that's fancy. Look, the logo is in the little nib. Very, very pink. But do you know what? I reckon you could really tone that down if you want to, or just have a bright pink lip. Why not? Why not just go out there and be bold? Then we've got the foundation I'm going to be reviewing and doing a wear test for. I'm not going to show you guys because that's just boring. I'm going to be doing that in a different video. Lastly, so the last product that we have is the Eyeshadow Palette. This is exciting. And I know that this is a dupe for, I think it's an Urban Decay one. So we have the Blazing palette, and this is a very, very reddy, warm toned, kind of neutrals, I guess. I think there's a good like variation of shimmers and mattes in this one. And it's metal, it's a tin one. I love a tin palette. I don't know what it is about it, but it just feels like, yeah, it feels like bulky and strong and durable. Hulk. Very, very neutral, very nice, yeah, neutral colours. So you have some of the light colours for the crease and blending shades, and you've got all the way down to some browns and red tones. I'd love to know how these are going to actually like swatch and pan out. So do you know what, I might do a video on this as well. If you want to see it, then yeah, I might do a video on that as well. Let's just recap of what we actually got. So we got a mascara, a highlighting powder, an eye primer, a duo blusher, a shimmer body mist, a lipstick, a lip liner, an eyebrow pencil, a lip gloss, jelly eyeshadow, and an eyeshadow palette, and sheer loose powder for £20. I'm pretty sure it should have come to a lot more than 20, and they guarantee you 6 products, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 products for £20. Alexa, what's 20 divided by 12?
40. 20 divided by 12 is approximately 1.6667.
So technically, we've paid like £1.70 for each product. I think. If my maths is out, I'm really sorry. I did not do well in maths. So guys, that is the end of today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed unboxing it with me, it was so exciting to do. I will be doing testing videos for this. Like I said, I've got a wear test coming up with the new foundation. I do actually want to do a video, on the eyeshadow palette. I think that would be quite like interesting, especially to see how it performs similarly to the Urban Decay one maybe. I don't know. We'll have a look, see what I want to do. I am also going to be doing a full face of W7 at some point because I genuinely have a full face of makeup that I had that before I got this box, so I don't know why I got the box. I just liked it. So I'm going to be doing a full face of W7 at some point. I'm so excited for that. So if you do want to see that, please hit that subscribe button down there. Stick around, become part of the little family. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers, and like I said, when I hit 1,000 I will be doing a very small like giveaway kind of thing to say thanks to all of you guys that stick around and watch. So yeah, I'm so excited for that. I really hope you have a fantastic day, evening or weekend, wherever you are in the world. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Until then, love you, bye.